An adult female raccoon tore off the tiles on this roof and ripped apart the attic fan in order to enter the attic to have her kits. The attic fan was so badly damaged that, with the owner's permission, we removed it and replaced it with a new sturdy one. Since the adult female raccoon has her kits in the attic, we're going to set up a positive set. Installing a one-way device will only cause the adult female raccoon to cause more damage to the roof. A positive set consists of a nose cone, which is designed to safely guide the raccoon into a two-gated heavy-duty device. This setup is called a positive set because we are positive that the raccoon will have no other way to exit but through our device. We also placed several baited traps nearby. Once the adult female enters the device, it will be able to call its kits, which will also safely enter the device. That way, we're able to safely and successfully relocate the adult female raccoon and its kits together to a new humane location. Once we do, we'll disinfect the attic area and install an attic fan cover. The attic fan cover is made of heavy-duty 18-gauge expanded galvanized steel mesh and will prevent raccoons as well as all nuisance wildlife from gaining access into the home through the attic fan and vents.